let's learn how you can set presets on your Blackmagic Camera application. So let's start by opening our application, and the first thing you want to do is open this side menu right here. These three dots, and click on the first one. So this is presets menu. You can click to add new one. You can name it and apply. Now it will be saved. But if we change, for example, our LUT to this one, change exposure and whatnot, for example, maybe these two, and we click on three dots again, we can create a new one. And it will save our options that we use right now. So it's very simple, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.